Right, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the same trinomials that I've worked in the last couple of days, but I'm going to show you a different way. In fact, this different way is the one that is in the textbook, and I think maybe most teachers teach that. I used to teach that as well at first, but then I saw another way, and I think it's easier. But it's your decision. Both ways are fine. So what you can do now, you can do something like that. You've got a trinomial. First thing you need to do is see if you can get rid of that 20, factor it out. You can't. 20, 24, okay, you can factor out something here, but 9 you can't. Okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to make a line. We'll use that. Okay? We'll make a line. Now on the left side of the line, we're going to write all the factors of 20. All the pairs of numbers that if you multiply them, you get 20. The first one is 1 times 20. What will be the next? What else I've got? 2 times 10 and 4 times 5, and that's it. Okay, I'm not going to write down 20 times 1, 10 times 2, 5 times 4, even though that's true. I'm just going to write these pairs. On the right side, I'm going to write down, okay, so here I did all of those pairs. On the right side, I'll do all the factors of 9, the number on the right. Okay, so what the first one is going to be 1 and 9. The next one will be 9. Okay, now here we have to flip them as well. So if we put 1, 9, but it could also be 9 and 1.
And 3 and 3.
And then the other one is 3 and 3. But obviously I don't need to write 3 and 3 again because it's the same thing. You'll see, well, you just got to do it. Okay, it's just one of these things you got to remember. On the left side, I don't need to find the flip one, the other side, the other pair. But here I need to. Okay? Let me just finish it and then question at the end, okay? Now what you got to do, okay? You got to cross numbers. Let's start with this. We're going to try and pair them up. So 1 times 9 and 20 times 1. Add them together or minus them together and try and get 24. It's more difficult, okay? So 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 20 is 20. With 9 and 20, can I get to 24? If I minus, plus? No. Why can I either plus or minus? Because eventually I know that they need to multiply to minus 9, not 9. So really one of them should be positive and one should be negative. At this point I don't know which. I personally don't write the plus and minus. I add it at the end. But I know that one of them will be plus, one will be minus. So with 9 and 20 I can't make 24. Okay, so I erase this. Okay, now I'll try 1 and 1 and 9 and 20. Now you would think, hang on, didn't we just do that? No, because we did 1 times 9 and 20 times 1. Now we're doing 1 times 9 and 20 times 9 and 1 times 1. That's different numbers, right? 9 times 20 is 180 and 1. So that's either 179 or 181. Definitely can't get 24. So that doesn't work as well. A little bit more difficult. Don't worry, if it's confusing, just close your ears because I have to show you this method because it's in the textbook. I personally think the other method is way better, but you can decide. Okay, now we have 20 and 3. It's a cross method. We call it the cross method because why? Because we're doing crosses. Okay? So I pair these two numbers with these two numbers. Didn't work. I pair these two numbers with these two. Didn't work. I'm pairing these two numbers with these. 20 and 3, 1 and 3. Right. 20 and 3 is 60. 1 and 3 is 1 times 3 is 3. With 60 and 3, can I make 24?
No.
No. So it doesn't work. All this work we've done, we've got nothing. Nothing, isn't it? Okay. So what do? We get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm not going to use it. I know it doesn't work. So I'll move on to the next one. Okay? I know. It's crazy, isn't it? 2 and 9. Guys, 2 and 9 and 1 and 10. 2 times 9 is 18. 10 times 1 is 10. 18 and 10. Can I make 24? No. Doesn't work. Okay, now we're going to do this one. One of them will work, hopefully. 2 and 1, 9 and 10. 9 times 10 is 90. With 90, I'm not going to get 24, isn't it? No. Chuck it. Has to be the last one, isn't it? Yes, sir. Hopefully. Okay. 4 times 9 and 5 times 1.
Times 3.
Did I miss one?
You missed it.
Oh, I missed the crucial one, did I? I will be in big trouble, right? So 2 times 3 is 6. 10 times 3 is 30. So 30 and 6. Can I make 24? I can. Okay, how do I make that? I'm going to do 30 minus 6, right? So you think we're finished? We're not finished yet. We need to figure out which one is going to be the minus. Right? Who's going to be the minus? I want the 6 to be minus. So it's going to be, the minus is going to be here. That's going to be the minus. And I'll put in that. Like that. So 2 times minus 3 is equal minus 6. Perfect. Okay? And this is going to be positive. Okay. You think we finished? We're not finished. Now we need to figure out how to line them up in the brackets. Okay. So what are these numbers really? The 2 and the 10. These are the numbers on the left side. So they are going to be the one with the x. So it's going to be 2x and 10x. Check this out. 2x times 10x, how much is that? 20x squared. So that works. Okay, so those numbers on the left, there's a reason why we put them on the left, because they're going to be here. Now these numbers, okay, these numbers are going to be the, which one? The plus 3 and the minus 3. But which one gets which one? So let's have a look. Let's have a look. So Ryan says that should be plus 3 and that should be minus 3. Now let's see if that works. Okay? The plus 3 needed to be multiplied by the 10. So the plus 3 will be multiplied by the 10. Great. The minus 3 needs to be multiplied by the 2. In this case, the minus 3 multiplied by the 2. So it works. Now, if you made the mistake and you put the minus 3 here and the plus 3 there, now we will have the 2 times the 3 is going to give us plus 6, not minus 6. Sorry, plus 6, not minus 6. And the 10 times minus 3 will give you minus 30. So you're going to get minus 24. So it doesn't work. So that last step is actually really, really confusing. So which method is better?
The previous one.
I don't know, so
Okay?
this one's like
Okay.
25.
Anyway, that's another method. And if you want to practice more, we can do some more practice later. I'll just pause this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.